The first thing you want to do is to download KwaiCut from Apple Store or Play Store. Now, this is CapCut alternative and it's 100% free and it has all the CapCut features. Okay, so this is what you do. This is your KwaiCut. This is our KwaiCut editing app. The first thing you want to do is to click on New Edit, New Editing. It's going to take you to our gallery where you can put in the videos that you want to edit. I'm going to go ahead and just pick on the video that I want to edit one after the other. Right, these are 6 different videos that we created. I'm going to click on Done for us for it to be moved. I'll click on Done. And so let me go ahead and play it so you can see.
Huh?
Now the issue is that we are having this Arena AI here, so I'm going to go ahead and just cut off all this Arena AI stuff. Come here and click on Split. Click on Split, and then I'll go ahead and delete it. I'll come here, click on Split, delete, come here, click on Split. We're going to go ahead and delete all these things out. Click on Split, delete, do the same thing here. Split, delete, split, and delete. Right, let me play from the beginning.
Huh?
Now you can see that all the adverts, the Arena AI logo that is displaying, everything is currently gone. You can see that everything is currently gone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and just go back. Now we're going to add the voiceover that we created. We're going to go ahead and add it. So in order to do that, I'll come back here and click on audio. Click on audio. I'm going to come here, go to sound effects. Click on music, and go to import. That sound from a device. Go to folder. So I'll go to Zender. I'm just going to look for the item here. Here is it. Click on open.
Every day, distractions steal our time.
Right, you can see here is the voiceover. Now you can see that this video is kind of longer than the voiceover. So what we are going to do, we are going to look for the video that is long. We click on it and click on speed. Increase this.
No.
This one is very long. Go ahead and click on it. Increase the speed of this particular video. I will do the same to this. Go ahead.
Small moments of discipline create big results.
We're able to go ahead and do that to all the video that's long. This one is too long. Go ahead.
Time we say.
Increase this a little bit.
Yes.
Increase this a little bit.
I want tea.
Come here and increase this one also. Okay. We haven't increased this one before. We never increased that one before. Now you can see that you can go ahead and just increase anyone you feel that is too long. Go ahead and increase it. Increase this one a little bit.
Protects your.
Okay. You see that now example this now if I play this particular video from the beginning, you see what will happen.
Every day, distractions steal our time without us noticing. Sometimes saying yes to.
Right, so this is how you create. This is how you manage it using KwaiCut. If you want to go ahead and just save this video up, go ahead and click on this done, this red button that there. Once you click on the done, then it's going to save on your phone. That is how you create. This is how you edit your video on KwaiCut. Very easy and you don't need more stress.
Every day, distractions steal our time without us noticing. Sometimes saying yes to everything feels easier, but every time we say yes to distractions, we say no to our goals. Saying no protects your future, your focus, and your dreams. Small moments of discipline create big results over time. I want tea. Cheers, Seppa.